Hi, so today I'm sharing with you some of my other Atelier Penelope canvas items. So with that said, let me share with you which items they are, where I got them from, and how I've altered them. So starting off, I've added a patch to this one, so it's on there drawing. This particular one here is the handy pouch. And I got this one from 26 Market, which is in Canada, along with the cargo pouch and the SS hold pouch. So there's a small, and then the SS is even smaller. And then this one here, which is the diary pouch. So all four of these items I have gotten from 26 Marketplace. And my other ones are from the BK shop in California. I've shared many videos with these showing all different ways you can organize them. So what I want to share with you today is what I did and altered them and adapted it to how it works, and just sort of so you can see a closer look inside some of these other items as well. So on this one I shared with you, I've added patches, I've shared with you all different ways of things to carry with it, from watercolors, planners, creative art journaling. It just holds so many different things. I also shared how I wanted a second one, so it could be like my summer bag. And I had some of my favorite, like really cute Disney patches. And the little love for analog is so cute that I added it to this one also. And then I also shared, so both of these are from the BK shop, and then this size is exclusive to them. So it's an AP and a BK exclusive item. And this one is called the mini shoulder bag. And then the one I'm getting ready to show you also from BK is the number 10 pan mini. And this one is not an exclusive size. So because it's smaller, I didn't think about that it would have maybe not as long of a handle, and that is exactly what happened. The shoulder strap is not as long. And I love a really nice long shoulder strap to kind of be on your hip. So since I ended up getting both colors, which was a little bit of a regret, I wish I got the green, and my friend Heather got the green. I've shared that with you, and she's added some patches to hers. So her next little hangout visit with me, I'm definitely going to record so you guys can see how cute hers is and the green. So since I had the two and I had the exact same shoulder strap, I went ahead and cut one of them off. I know that sounds a little crazy and daring, but I cut one of them off, and I took the longer strap after cutting off from my smaller, the pan mini number 10. I cut off its shorter strap and I added the long one onto here. I didn't make it adjustable. I just added it on and attached it. So now I have, this is like a nice long little strap for a small on-the-go tote. And I took the smaller strap and I trimmed it down, and I added it to my double. And I made just like a little carry strap, which I love so much. Like I find like I use it even more than I did when I would strap it across me and kind of take it with me. Although it's perfect, and if I want to do that, I have this one. But I haven't found, I really love carrying my supplies like this, and it's just so cute. So that worked out perfectly, and now I have that strap. And in this one, it has a little pocket, and it has the little zip on the front. It's so great. And in the past videos, I'm telling you, I showed you guys with so many items, and I was asked about an iPad Air, because on a video it showed that it doesn't fit. Now this is my iPad Air with my keyboard case, which is much bulkier. It has this large metal that the regular case does not have. And if I just kind of drop it in there, it closes up no problem at all inside here. Like marvelous. So I'm not sure why people had felt that. And even without this case, you can see it would tuck right in there so well. Without this even on, will fit even better right in here, but because I got to slip all that extra bulk, but no problem. And it's not just a fluke that it happened to work on that one, because on my other one, again, without even trying, I just want to make sure those edges, it's no problem. And it's not bulking out or anything. It just is a perfect fit. But like I said, even better if you didn't have this particular case with that on it. So I just wanted to share that because I had gotten a question on my YouTube video and then a couple on my Instagram Messenger. No, that's Facebook Messenger. My Instagram chat. What is that? Anyways, so that is what I did with those. And then again, this one here is from 26 Market, and they do have like a 10% off thing if you sign up for their email for new customers. And they also have some really great specials throughout the year of 20% off everything. And I feel like they had just recently had like a 25% off, which is incredible. So anyways, this one, I have that on here because I really want to make sure. I mean, it seems like, yeah, it's not. I used my regular glue, and I have a lot of videos showing with you guys my glue that I use, which is this one here, the Super Gorilla glue with the brush and nozzle. But I added a little of this time, and I want to see like, now this is more instant drying. This is gonna take time, but I want to see, since I felt like that edge is gonna get a lot of bending and use. So I'll keep you posted on that. But this particular one is sort of like a pencil case, a zip pocket, one long divider and two small. And I feel like it needs to be ironed and kind of lived in a little. It's pretty stiff, but I'm sure in time it'll be great. But my thought is for one of my everyday handbags to throw in my lip gloss and like emergency medicine like ibuprofens and things, and maybe Band-Aid, and just like those little things, girl things, and so on, that it's all in one, and I can kind of take that and toss it into any bag I need. So I do want to show you all of these items fit nicely right into the BKAP exclusive canvas bag. Now obviously they're not filled, so but you do know right out the gate that they all fit in here perfectly if you're looking to utilize them. I will definitely have an updated video showing how I organize this and options for organizing along with this one also. I had taken my items out just so I can give you this closer look. I love this nice deep pocket that it has on the front, nothing on the back. And then inside, it also has two like kind of card pockets, credit card pockets, and a nice open space to keep things. So nice for organizing stationery and things, or as a little wallet or what have you. The little clip is really cute there. And these are the patches I've added. And then this one, like I said, is the little SS handy pouch. I've shared organizing options for this as well. It nicely holds your passport traveler's notebook with room for like glue stick or other little things along the side, along with a nice little pocket slot right back there. And this is a nice little full traveler's passport. And it works super lovely. So it's cute for adding into any tote bag, but to kind of organize your items. So maybe if you don't want projects or different things all thrown in together. And then also this one, which I'm going to make an upcoming video for you guys, because I've seen on the websites, like it's showing it a lot of times with a traveler's notebook. And so I need you guys to know, if you have a thick traveler's notebook, that is not going to happen. If you have one insert, so I pulled that out over here to show you one insert and maybe the clear zip cover. Yeah, that will work. And it's going to be a little of a snug fit, but say you just want to put a fountain pen, a pencil, eraser, like a couple little things, and nice for journaling. And on the back, maybe slide in a few little sticker sheets. You're not going to have a lot of space. You could put your phone and it would kind of form right in there. You could, and just take that. Or like I said, adding like a few little sticker sheets would be nice. So in that upcoming video, I'm going to show you with lots of different options with this, but just super quick so you know, in case you're watching this and you're on the fence of getting this. It's also super cute that it holds two, and those are some nice thick passports. And it just folds over. That is really adorable. And if you just want to put a couple little pins or fountain pen, one or two in there, you can. Or great for taking a little project along. And then don't forget, you have your pocket back here to add items as well. Say you want to take a bunch little highlighters and stuff, you could throw them in there too, not just stickers. So I have some cute little ideas of different things I've been practicing and trying out with this. I love the shape. So definitely, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and stick with me to see upcoming. I'll have a video. I actually have one for this one, individual, showing it filled and different ways to use it. Along with all of these, they're already posted videos of great ways for utilizing and organizing these particular canvas bags. So okay, there's lots of them. Just so you know, there's lots of them. And I also want to share with you, because I don't want it confused, this particular, real quick, handy pouch is different than the one that has the handle on the side. That one that has the little canvas piece that like you could pick up and carry it. That one has much more of a width to it. Is that what it is? Depth. This is just like a nice little perfect, and I'm gonna pop that off real quick just so you can get the idea of what that's like in there. Okay, so that new Gorilla Glue that I tried, I can just tell you, I don't think I'm gonna love that. I like that instant bond. But who knows, it might be worth its weight and it's just gonna stay marvelously. So those are the things, new little patches I've added. I was thinking about adding this patch to this one here, but you can see as the different things you put in, you may want to utilize this with more of a bend. Well, that might be cute here. So this patch my husband gave me from project he was working on, something he was working on. It came with a little postcard and a sticker and a patch. How cute is that? Usually I get like jackets or t-shirts or so, which is all fine, but how cute is this? This is like a little stationery planner love thing, a postcard, a sticker, and a patch. So we'll see. I like it with the green, is really cute. And I can see me having it a little fuller, which would be great here like that. So we'll see. We'll see if it ends up there, but I love all my patches and I feel like it just makes it more special, more you. So thank you guys for joining me. There's some other little videos and you can also peruse around my videos. They're all in chronological order. I answer all the questions you guys leave me. And thanks so much.